guys, welcome back to 7 Slots Lifestyle. Today we are going to do a quick video on installing my new PedalBox Plus. It's a throttle response programmer and we are super excited to get this installed and review and let you guys know what we think of it.
You're going to pull out the red tab to release the female fitting from the accelerator pedal. You're going to take the new male fitting from the DTE PedalBox Plus, lock that in with the factory female connector. You're going to take the new female connection from the DTE Plus, put that on the factory accelerator male connection, lock that in.
Alright, so we got it all hooked up and installed and we are going to get it programmed. And after we finally have it programmed, we are going to figure out where to mount this little guy. Okay guys, so the first step is to turn your Jeep on. It doesn't need to be running, but it needs to be on.
Put it in run, and it doesn't have to be physically running.
So the next step is to push the plus and minus buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Can you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
So now the program button is flashing white, and you've got the status display flashing there.
Okay, so now I slowly press the accelerator.
And that's from neutral to full throttle.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, release.
Okay.
Do I release?
Yeah. Okay, so now you can see on the status display the position of the throttle. So if you want to take it from neutral back to full throttle.
So go again?
Yeah. See, as you push the throttle in more, the status display goes from the lowest screen to the highest red.
Release?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're good there.
Okay, so now to complete, press the program button for 3 seconds.
Yep.
Is it good?
Yeah, so the status display went away, and then now your program button is back to green.
Is that it?
Should be it.
Okay, now I'm going to download the app on my phone.
So we got it installed, got it programmed, and now I've cleaned up the install. It's just simple as routing the wires somewhere away from the body so they don't get too hot. Keep everything up off the floor just in case it gets wet. And the nice thing about the PedalBox Plus is that it's able to connect to your phone through the app, so you don't have to have the controller somewhere accessible. So what I did was I routed it up back behind the instrument panel here, and there's a little mounting plate for the controller that you can put some two-sided tape on, and I mounted that plate to the back side of this kick panel here below the steering wheel, and the controller just sits inside that little plate, and if we ever needed to access it, it's right here, out of the way, nice and clean.
Hey guys, just got back from going for a little test drive. Wanted to get it all programmed and tested and see what we thought. We are super happy so far with the DTE Systems PedalBox Plus. We are super looking forward to driving the next few weeks and giving you guys an updated review. Thanks for watching.